Hi, my name is Brenda Rosas, and I'm an educational consultant from Ballard & Ty. I will be one of the presenters at the webinar Speak to Write for K-12, which will feature activities that promote speaking, writing, and fluency. Oral fluency leads to better writers. We will be presenting various activities that center around speaking fluency at the word, phrase, sentence, paragraph, story, essay, and research paper level. Our purpose is to present from an integrated skills approach using images to speak to write. Images level the playing field and lower the effective filter for students at all stages of a lesson, for example in schema building and brainstorming, teaching and practicing target vocabulary, grammatical forms and their functions. We can even use images for the academic purposes of teaching, comprehending, and analyzing informational or fictional texts. Lastly, images can be used in all stages of the writing process to gather thoughts, to then write, all the way to using images to present the final product. As you can see here in this image of a student-run fundraiser, you can practice schema building of all things to sell at a fundraiser. Students can also brainstorm what their fundraiser might look like. Target vocabulary such as nouns, adjectives, and verbs can be taught and practiced using this image. The grammatical forms of countable versus uncountable nouns to comparatives and superlatives can be taught through this image. Students can read or write a text about fundraisers or a fictional story about a fundraiser. This image can also be used as a springboard to the writing process, as well as used to present their final writings to the class. So please join us on January 28th, 1 to 2 p.m. Pacific Time as we present activities that you can use right away in your classrooms to develop better speakers and writers. Just for attending, you will receive a free Scaffolds Strategies E-book. Space is limited, so please register right now. The link to register and details about the webinar are in the description box below. See you soon!